Hey guys, so I'm getting sick, so I needed a little. It's not the coronavirus. I was out in the rain yesterday and I think I'm getting a cold, but I needed a little pick me up because some of us are, what is it? Stay in place, and some of us are going through a very rough time right now. And I just, since I'm getting sick, I feel like I need a little pick me up, a little cheer me up. So I actually just got this in the mail from a YouTube subscriber, and it is Happy Mail. It is my very first Happy Mail. So I'm actually pretty excited to see what this is. I know it's a sticker book because my subscriber, hey Rhonda, reached out to me and said she wanted to send me some Happy Mail. I don't know if you guys know, I'm sure most of you do, but Happy Planner is doing a Happy Mail where you can order a sticker book with free shipping and send it to someone else as like a form of Happy Mail. So that is what Rhonda got for me. So I'm just gonna open it up. I'm excited because I don't know what sticker book it is. It's like a mystery sticker book. And I am definitely not a sticker book collector, so I very well may not have this sticker book in my collection. So let's see, how are we gonna open this? All right, I'm gonna need some scissors for this. Should have had those on deck, but sorry for my cover. Like I said, I'm getting sick and I'm trying to stay warm and drink my tea. But I just wanted to make this really quick video because I could not wait any longer. This has just been sitting in my house staring at me for like the last day or two. And the perfectionist in me wanted to do like a whole little big YouTube video, but we're just gonna wing it. So we're opening it. What is it? I actually like this book. It is the seasonal sticker book. It's one of the older sticker books, definitely, but I really like this seasonal book. As you guys know, seasonal books are my absolute favorite. I love the seasonal sticker books. So I am going to do a flip through of this for anyone that hasn't seen it, because I know there's a lot of planner newbies in the community. So I'm just going to flip the camera around and we are going to flip through this like we've never seen it before. So yeah. Now, I'm not going to lie. When I first saw this, I thought it was the Christmas sticker book because of this section right here. But yeah, because I was about to say, Happy Planner, why are you sending people Christmas sticker books? Yeah, this is so cute. I loved when this sticker book came out. I don't remember when it came out, but this is so cute. Like, I love the little blue foil that they had in here. It's like a couple pages of each season, and then they gave you a whole sheet of icons, and then like headers and task lists, which I find helpful because it's like it gives you decorative and it gives you functional. And they all color coordinate, which makes it super easy. Yeah, I enjoyed the Halloween and the fall stickers. Because there's a lot of orange. Typically, there's not a lot of orange in Happy Planner sticker books. So when this one came out, I was like, yes, orange. So, and I especially love these leaves. Oh my gosh, I'm glad to have this book again. Because typically I don't buy duplicates of books just because I find that one sticker book is enough. But this one, I've pretty much used all of the stickers. Like all of the fall stickers, I definitely used up. And I used a lot of the Christmas stickers. I think I have the spring and a little bit of the summer left in my other book. So this is actually perfect. And Easter is coming up. So yes, this whole page is going to get a workout. This is so cute. Easter bunnies. And summer, look at these pineapples. So cute. And this would go good with the Trendsetter book. It's so cute. I like this 4th of July. It says sweet land of liberty. And I like that the icons in the header sheets are in colors that you'll actually use. Like a lot of you use pink. The red would be good for Valentine's Day. Yellow is good for Easter coming up. So you get that pastel feel. But then on this sheet, you get like more brighter colors for summer. Oh my gosh. I absolutely love this page. I forgot all about this page. I used everything on this page in my other book. I love birthday stickers. Oh my gosh. I need some more of these for my journaling book. Oh, this is perfect timing. And that's the end of the book. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Rhonda. I absolutely love seasonal books, and this was one of my favorites. So thank you so much for sending me that. I am so appreciative. You didn't have to do it, but you did it anyway. You just made my day, and I appreciate you so much, especially in the trying times that we're going through right now. So I appreciate you so much, Rhonda. Thank you for sending me Happy Mail. And I hope you guys enjoyed the flip through, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye.